Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make the swing bottom right and swing bottom left effect using animation in CapCut PC. So after you import your images or photos to CapCut, you can change for image duration. Just click menu, settings, edit and set image duration. Click save and just add the clip to the thread, and there are 5 clips, and for the odd clip which is first, third and the last, I'm going to add the animation in animation and select swing bottom left, adjust for duration and 1 second which is full duration, third swing bottom left full duration, last clip swing bottom left again. So for even clip, second and fourth, select swing bottom right, and you can see for the final result like this. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.